Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to remove WhatsApp channel update. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how to remove this channel update from WhatsApp and then use the old version in iPhone. So I will need you to pay attention, follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to just open your app store. Once you open your app store, just search for your WhatsApp over here, and once you open your WhatsApp, just click on your WhatsApp profile over here. Once you search for WhatsApp, now scroll to the down here and you can see report a problem. Now click on report a problem over here. Once you click on report a problem, just wait for a while for it to load and then just log in. You can see continue with password or passcode. Just click on your passcode, enter your passcode. Now just wait for this to load over here, and now you can see this option over here which says what can we help you with. Click on this drop down and scroll to the last end which says report offensive. You can see the last option here. Just click on that and then click on next. Now once you click on next, you can see now you have to explain to them. Now you can see describe the issue. Now you have to explain to team WhatsApp that the new update is not working on your iPhone, and then tell them that you want to uninstall and install the old version of WhatsApp, and then install your old version of WhatsApp and then use the old features on your WhatsApp. So with this you can just use the old version of the WhatsApp and enjoy those old features. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new